moving out tomorrow. Today is my last official day in Nashville. The act of like packing, unpacking, cleaning, getting every little crevice of your life packed up is a lot. Now I'm just like excited, get me out. I'm ready for this new chapter, so it feels good. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I really hope I had footage from the day before because I was trying to get some of it off my camera this morning and my SD card was not reading. I think it's damaged. So I'm a little nervous that this is the start of the vlog. If it is, I had a great day of footage yesterday. I'm really sorry I don't have it anymore. Oh. Apartment is gonna be a mess this whole vlog because we're in the midst of packing. Here's the state of it all. I just sold these two bar chairs on Facebook Marketplace for $10 because they were so scratched up from spruce. But now I think I only have to sell 2 or 3 more things on Marketplace. I gotta sell this like clothing organizer and then my coffee table. Those 2 things I think I'm gonna have to wait till my brother gets here tomorrow to help me move. Guys, it is a absolute mess in here. It's driving me crazy, but it's okay. It has to happen because we're just packing things up. A lot of this is going to Goodwill, but I'm gonna wait and do the trip tomorrow. We're slowly getting there. The plan for now is I am going to run to my storage unit and pack up some orders for Dream Daily. I gotta run to the grocery store and get some props for filming something for Be Amazing. Oh, I need to also buy some boxes. So we're gonna go buy more boxes because I need to take inventory of like what I need. I think I need 2 more big ones and then quite a few small ones for like little tiny stuff that I just need to throw away and finishing up the kitchen because now I can start actually like packing up all my glasses and all my mugs because I'm only gonna be here for the next 2 days and I'm not gonna be cooking anymore. I'll just be getting takeout or whatever to make things easy. That's the plan for the afternoon. It's 11:10. I'd love to be back here by 12:30. So let's see if we can, sorry, getting work emails. So I'm hoping to be back here by 12:30. Then we can go from there. And I still got to do a little more filming for this YouTube video. I'm just like, not gonna lie, I'm kind of stressed this morning, guys. I know I think I hit this point in my last moving vlog too, where I think I have enough time and then it hits me, I'm like freak out. I'm like, I don't think I have enough time to get everything done. I'm kind of hitting that point right now. So sorry if I'm a little frazzled, but it's just hard to also like be working today, having stuff due for work while also being like, I have to get this apartment packed. So anyway, just feeling a little crazy, but I think that just comes with moving. That's always how it goes. We're back. Most clothes are gone. Now it's just a bunch of like little stuff I have to deal with and this stuff just didn't fit my suitcase. So we'll throw that in a bag. And then I have like fall decor up there that I need to condense down and I have so many hangers. Like I actually can't believe I had this many clothes. It doesn't feel like I had that many clothes. And then I see all these hangers. I already packed a whole box full of them and I'm like, how was I always running out of hangers? There's a million hangers. Anyway, closet I'm feeling much better about. Suitcase, boxes, I'm putting stuff in Ashley's room, my golf clubs. All these garbage bags are clothes. I'm sorry. I didn't think I had that many clothes. That's crazy. And I even like cleaned it out, got rid of stuff I don't wear. That's just crazy. Apartment, still a mess, but I am going to sit down and do some work. It's about 5 p.m. So I worked on the closet for a few hours and now I need to finish up editing a YouTube video, do some TikTok editing for my part-time job. So I will be sat here. I really wanted to go to Tin Roof in Nashville tonight to watch Love Island live with my friends Skylar and Nicole. They do like a live viewing watch party at a bar, which I've never done for a reality TV show. But I just texted them that I don't think I'm gonna make it because I would be in like 2 hours and I just have a lot of work to do, and I just, every time I look at something, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta do that. Like, I cleaned out most of these drawers for my console table, but there's just little stuff in there I either have to throw away or things, and I feel like I did most of my kitchen, but then I'm like, oh wait, I opened the drawer for the spices when I was making a coffee. I made a coffee at 5 p.m. because I'm gonna be working, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to throw out all these spices or pack them. Like, just little things keep popping up everywhere, and I just don't want to be stressed again tomorrow morning like I was this morning. So I know my mom and brother are coming in tomorrow to help me, which will be great, but I just don't want to be stressed. And I will see both of them soon because they're gonna come to my hometown next month, so I know I'm gonna see them. It's a bummer I'm not gonna be able to watch Love Island live. I'll just put it on here while I work, but I think that's just the responsible decision, and my future self will thank me. And I've been so social this past month. I've done something social every day. This is the first day in like 2 months that I haven't done something social, honestly. So I feel like my time is up and I need to work. So that's what we're doing. We're choosing work over social life tonight. That's okay. It's probably gonna be an amazing episode too of Love Island. It's probably going to be. Anyway, I've definitely made a lot of progress today, so that's good. It is July 1st. I am moving out tomorrow. Today is my last official day in Nashville, and it's gonna be a busy one. It is 9:30 a.m. I've been working for the past like 2.5 hours on work stuff I had to get done, just getting it out early in the morning. So now I can kind of focus on packing for the next few hours. My brother and mom will be here in about an hour and a half to help me, which is so amazing because, not gonna lie, it's crazy in here. It is a mess. This is a lot of donation stuff, but I've just got a lot to still do in the next 24 hours. This time tomorrow we'll be packed up. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but that's okay. I'm gonna start with one box at a time. Now that I'm done with work for today, for the most part, I'm going to pack up like all my tech supplies and stuff, just so because I need to make sure I don't lose that box. That box will be very important. And then we'll work on some more bedroom stuff, little things, cleaning, all of that. So fun. I haven't moved in 2 years. I used to move every year in Nashville, and it was such a pain. And then last year I stayed in this apartment, and it was the best thing ever. I was so happy last summer not to move, and now I'm just being reminded how awful moving can be. Like, it's so fun. The act of like packing, unpacking, cleaning, getting every little crevice of your life packed up is a lot. It felt so good to drop off a whole trunk load full of things at Goodwill. And then on my way home, I passed 21st Avenue. So I ran into Fido, which is one of the coffee shops that I used to go to all the time in college. They have really good food as well. It's also to be rumored to be one of Taylor Swift's like OG coffee shops. It's owned by Bongo Java, but it's on 21st. I don't know if she's gone there in years, but when she lived in Nashville like 10 to 15 years ago, she would apparently go there. This is their Gray Skies latte. It has bergamot and coconut cream. I wish it was a little stronger on the bergamot flavoring, but that's okay. Little pick-me-up because it is about 12 p.m. and then I also ran into a really cute salad place. I was trying to rush because mom and Wes are arriving, but Greenery & Co. also on 21st. Very expensive salads. Could be like in LA. They're $15 each, but they're so good. So I got my mom and I a little treat by getting these. I got the pesto chicken bowl and then their chicken kale Caesar. It has like pickled onions, toasted almonds on it as well. Whichever one she doesn't want, I will eat. They are both good. I needed a healthy little lunch because my dinner last night was a yogurt bowl and my breakfast this morning was a yogurt bowl because that's all I have to eat at the apartment right now. So let's go home and get back to packing. I'm also gonna treat Wes and mom to a nice dinner out tonight. That's at 5:30, so pretty early. So I'm gonna we can hopefully get a lot done before then though. We'll see.
Tagging your money.
What am I doing here? Oh, there's someone gonna ask actually because tomorrow I'm gonna leave the fridge for them. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna say whatever. Yeah, in your other stuff. Yeah. So.
What are we doing with the paper?
With what?
Paper.
So Those are my keychains.
Okay, I'm gonna start wiping stuff here.
Mom and Wes are working hard, cleaning out the kitchen.
Bruce is doing the niche.
Yes, Bruce isn't doing much. Where is he?
I didn't even like it.
Oh, hello. We're making a lot of progress. Lots of boxes. Put art in here. Bathroom. TV is down here. Closet's pretty much done. Yes, it's 3:30, so we have about another hour and a half before dinner. We'll get a lot of it done. Last morning in the apartment, eating my croissant, bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Coffee, so good. This morning I was so tired. I was so over packing and moving. My dreams last night were me packing boxes. That's because I've been doing this just for like a week straight. I am so over moving. I was in such a bad mood this morning because I just wanted to be done. I was like, can I just snap my fingers and it be done? But after coffee, it's amazing what coffee and like getting out will do, because I feel so much better now, and now I'm like dancing, ready, excited. I mean, obviously I'm a little sad, but I'm more like, I feel like last week I had said goodbye to so many friends, like going away party. I feel like that was like the emotional goodbye, and now I'm just like excited, get me out. I'm ready for this new chapter, so it feels good. There's all my bunch of boxes and stuff. All cleared out in here in Ashley's room. Bruce is so confused. Bathrooms all done pretty much. Just have Spruce's water. I'll pack up last. Got my mattress. This is going, a lot of the stuff is going to Charleston. Like I don't need a bed and stuff there for my parents, so this is all going to Charleston. Spruce's thing will be going not to Charleston, at home first. Okay, we've got something else to throw away. I feel like I just constantly am finding things. Like, look at these toys. I'll throw this stuff away. Closet all cleaned out. This is a really big closet, actually. Really, really nice. All right, we're so close to being out of here.
But we're moving her back to Knoxville. That's where me and my mom live.
Oh yeah. You get around.
Figure out and drive.
Oh, look good.
Got all the stuff.
We can provide a truck and they provide the camp towers.
Nice.
I thought they were fantastic.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Got
you the B-roll.
It's
Maribel. Thank you. Wes was on vlog duty.
I should have vlogged while driving.
It's not safe. I'm back in East Tennessee at my parents' house for the next few months, so I'm really excited to vlog here and to make just like, yes, similar content to what I'm making, but also I want to show like country life, simple living, a little slower vibes for summer. And then of course I'm also going to keep you guys updated with my real estate journey, real estate career, and then I still of course will be doing like my monthly budgets, monthly resets, all of that fun content as well. Hopefully with some better angles, better lighting, and just have like more freedom with the content that I'm creating, because I'm not going in office for work and things. So I'm just excited to get back in my YouTube grind. I know I've been saying that for like the past year, but I've loved going into my in-office job, but it also prohibited me, I feel like, from filming a lot more. And so now that I'm back to being fully remote, I think I can do that for you guys. So maybe doing some weekend lives and things. I'm really excited. Thank you guys for watching this moving vlog. Watching it back, it's a little chaotic because I was just so busy. Like I had so much work to do, along with just making sure I got out and moved out on time. And then when my mom and brother came in, we were just like getting things done. But I hope it gave you a little bit of taste of moving, because I know moving content can be fun if you're moving sometime soon or wanting to move to a new city or move out. It is really exciting. So if you are moving sometime soon, let me know in the comments where you're moving to, and love to cheer you on in that. Thank you guys for watching this little moving series. I know it was only 2 parts, but my plan, if you heard us talking about it in this video, I kept saying like Charleston, because even though I'm still in Tennessee right now, my plan is to move to Charleston next year. That will be a much bigger moving series because it's a much bigger move. I've never moved out of states, and I'm moving on my own too. So that will be exciting. But for now, this was just a little quick moving vlog. I feel so happy to be officially moved out of Nashville. Like obviously I'm sad and I miss it, but at the same time, it feels really good to like start this new chapter, and I'm just really excited for the rest of the year. I think this was a big decision that I'm glad I made, and I'm glad to bring you guys along with me. So if you have any specific content you want to see from me over the next month, rest of the summer, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video.